Crypto F here. Before we go to today's topic, I want to say that this video is not a financial advice, it is my opinion only, and it is for educational purposes.
Hi everyone, update on Bitcoin. At the moment Bitcoin looks bad and it looks bearish. Charts are looking bad, and there is no real reason for me that the Bitcoin will protect this 3500 level. There is no major support here, so I'm looking at 3000. But as you may remember, just few days ago it looked really bullish, and another few days before that it looked really bearish. So the situation is changing every few days, so there is no guarantee that after a few days we will not be up here and it will look very bullish again. Well, if we go down, I'm looking at 3000. If we go up, I'm looking at 5500. Honestly, at the moment I have no idea whether we will go down or up, but I'm confident that even though if we go down we will stop at 3000 or a little bit under 3000, and after that we will bounce and we will go up as high as 5000 or above. So if you made a position somewhere in here, you might be thinking to sell right now and buy back at 3000. Well, this is a good idea if you are sure that the price will come to 3000. But what if you sell right now and the prices start to rise and we will never reach 3000? So I am not going to sell any of my positions right now because I'm certain that if I sell now the prices will start rising. This is just the usual behavior of markets and how they turn back on you. So I believe that we need to be patient at the moment. Even if the price go down to 3000, well, if it does, I will take another position down here. I'm confident that at some point we will get that desired bounce to 5,000 at least, or I'm looking more at 5,500. So if you are thinking to sell, be as sure as possible that we are going down to 3000, so you will have the opportunity to buy back. If you look more into a higher time frame, this is a weekly chart now. What you can see is that in 2017 we had a huge rally to the upside, and in 2018 we had a huge rally to the downside. So the fact is that at the moment we are already very low. 3500 is very low. I don't know if 3500 is the bottom. Well, honestly, I believe it is not. I don't even know if it's 3000. It might be 2000, 1500, 1300. Who knows? Nobody knows really. But what I can say is that this is very low, and that's a fact. And any position here is a very good position for long term. If you are a daily trader, then I have no advice for you, because I don't care about daily trading. I don't care. I never trade daily, and I probably never will trade daily, and I have no advice for you. But if you are a long-term investor, then my advice for you is think about buying somewhere here. Somewhere here you need to start thinking to be a contrarian. Even if everything looks bad and the price is going down and people are afraid, you need to be a contrarian at some point. I'm not saying right now, but at some point. Maybe right now, maybe lower. This is up to you to decide. If I were you, I would make some small position right now and wait for lower prices. If lower prices doesn't happen, then you have some position right here, and you might think to make another bigger position later on. Just one more advice for long-term investors who are looking to buy here, and this is a long-term advice for the advice for the future. When this bear market will end, I expect something like this. Those are not exact numbers, I don't know, maybe we go like this, and at some point I believe we will break this resistance level, and then we will start to rise more rapidly, something like that. So if you bought somewhere here and you're looking for a long term and you are not going to sell for 3 or 4 years, then this is okay with me. But if you are looking to do just 1 or 2 trades per year, so for example, you want to sell here and buy back here, and later on, let's say the price goes like this and back up, and later on you want to sell here and buy back here, and so on. I just want you to be very careful, because once the prices will start rising, and once we enter new bull market, and especially once we enter the later phases of bull market, what I don't want you to do is to sell, for example, somewhere here, and then prices never come back and you don't have the opportunity to buy back. Prices just keep on rising. In this case, you will miss the opportunity of your life. So whenever you sell, you need to be as sure as possible that the price will retrace and you will be able to buy back. If this doesn't happen, you might miss the opportunity of your life.
Okay, that's it for today. If you find this content useful, please give it a thumbs up, and please leave me some comments in the comment section down below. And also please subscribe for more future updates. Cheers!